Okay, this is a video on how to upload a bank account through our Fiat Currency Gateway. You'll go here into Assets, hit that Assets menu, then go over here to US dollar, and you want to receive, and you want to know if you qualify. So you hit Bank, and then it says here, we don't accept international wire transfers from U.S. citizens or from United States of America banks. So number one, you cannot be a U.S. citizen. Number two, you cannot use a Chase or Wells Fargo or Bank of America bank. It's got to be a bank that is not a United States bank. Other than that, then you check to see if your list of eligible countries and the ID requirements for that. All this is for KYC and anti-money laundering laws, AML, and KYC, know your customer. All countries want to make sure that they're compliant with the movement and transfer of funds. So in order to see if you're on an eligible list, you go here, you click that, then you go to and what country do we want to see? You said Hong Kong?
Yeah.
Okay, Hong Kong is right here. China, Hong Kong, Yuan. The ISO code for the financial is CN for Chinese, and a passport will do. No other ID is required. You see that ID? Passport. So you will need to show that you are a citizen of China in order to upload a Chinese bank account in Hong Kong. And let's see. Ireland?
Yeah.
Ireland. So Ireland is right here.
Yes.
So the code for them is IE and accepts either a passport or a government issued ID from Ireland.
Either or both.
It's both are checked. So yeah, either one, I guess either one
will work.
Yep, and then Mexico is here, and just the passport will do for Mexico. Okay, now once you determine that you're on the list of eligible countries that are qualified to upload fiat currency into the Waves platform system, you now then go to, see, it is called Fiat Gateway. That is regular currency gateway, okay, and into our system. So let's see about Xing that out. And then once you determine that you are on the list of eligible countries and citizenships, you now go to step 1 and step 2 of a KYC. Know your own customer or client. In order to deposit US dollars, so what we're saying is you don't have to be a US citizen or have a US bank account in order to upload United States dollars, okay, currency fiat. You can also go this route with euros, and you go here and you go through a third-party service that IDs you, and it's called ID Now EU for, I guess, Europe. After you go through the verification, you will receive an email with further instructions. Okay, so you hit the Get Verified. So if you're a citizen in any of the eligible countries, this is the next step here. You wait for it to upload because it is a third-party site. And you fill out all the information here. Okay. Mr., Miss, your title, your first name, last name, your date of birth. All this is your own personal information, your nationality. So we already know that Ireland is on the list. So at this point, they would we support the identification documents from the following countries. So you would upload a screenshot of your passport. And if you're Mexican, same thing right here. You check Mexico, then you do your mailing address, the country you're from. In this case, it's Mexico. Right here. And then it says your contact data, your phone number. You accept the terms and conditions of this ID, and then you hit continue. But it's going to have us fill all this information that we cannot do because we don't qualify. So that's pretty much it. Just follow the steps, and that's how you upload and link a bank account with the use of either euros, Chinese yuan, or United States dollars. Whatever the requirements are for your banking, all you're doing is linking your bank account to that. Okay? All right, so that's it for today's video. Let me go back though. Let's backtrack. Let's get rid of that. So again, you have to go to Waves platform. You see that here's the web link. Wavesplatform.com will take you here. You register, you open a wallet, an account here by signing in to online client, and once we do that, it'll go here. Once you have a wallet, see, it says create a new account. That's where you go. If you're trying to log in and use from a mobile phone your wallet and go to a laptop, you hit restore account. And anyway, since I have an account, I will log in, and it is right here in the assets, the first page you come to on this landing page. Again, you want to upload a bank account, hit receive, and then select bank, and then go through the process. Okay? All right, thank you. That's it for today's video.